In this section, we're going to be looking at the text function, and we're going to look specifically at upper, lower, proper, text, concatenate, left, right, and mid functions. So the upper function is used to convert lowercase into uppercase. All right, so most of us have these questions, and many Excel users have this question: how do we change a text case in Excel from lowercase into uppercase? So the approach is with the use of a function. For converting a lowercase into uppercase, we use the lower function. It converts uppercase into lowercase. Then there's a function called proper. Proper capitalizes the first letter, the initial letter of a text. It turns it into a capital letter. Then the text function is used to convert values, numbers, or whatever you have into a text format. Then we have the mid function that returns the middle characters in a word. The left function gives us the leftmost character in a word. The right function returns the rightmost character in a word. And the concatenate function is used to join text. Is used to join text in Excel. Okay. So let's go into our Excel practice file and start looking at the text functions. So we're going to start with the lower case function. So we have this exercise. It shows us series of text that are already in capital letter, and then we want to have the lower case version. So you just simply put equal sign and then type lower, open bracket, reference the text, just one text. Now these text functions are not for range of values, they are for single text, single cell at a time. So you pick and it changes. So if you want to apply it to others, you just simply double click or drag the fill handle down. What I mean by fill handle is the cross at the right bottom corner. So when you move and then you go to the bottom of a cell, bottom right corner, you see that it changes the cross to black. So when you double click, it will affect every other cell. Okay. So for uppercase, it means that you have text in lowercase and you want to convert the text to uppercase. Okay, so the function name is equals upper, and then you simply reference the cell. You reference the cell, close the bracket, and press enter. It changes it into a capital letter. Okay, so I drag the fill handle or double click, and then it applies to all other. Okay, so that is upper. Now if you are trying to use it to overwrite what you have here before, you simply have to select all, hold down the Control and the Shift key, then the down arrow key will select or copy it and paste as value over the previous one. It's as simple as that. Just paste as value over the previous one. Okay. Then this one, Control Shift down, delete this. So this particular one is called proper. That is capitalize initial value, initial text or character. Okay, so the function is equals proper, open bracket, pick your text, close the bracket, and press enter. So now that I've done one, I'll point to the fill handle and double click downward. So I was saying, if you have a task and it seems as if this one wasn't okay for you and you want to replace it, so what you simply do is highlight the entire range of the values of the new one. And don't forget, it's in a formula form, so you cannot use it just like that because the formula is equals proper. So you will copy it, then you will come to where you want to use it, which is here. Then don't forget paste special option that we learned in the previous section. You will now paste as value. You paste as value. Don't just paste. If you paste, it will paste the formula. So you paste as value. So paste value option is here. So you pick that, and that will replace this. So which means you can now get rid of the previous one, and then you now have a new item. So that's what we mean. Okay, so I'm going to return it back for the sake of practice. All right, so that's how to use the proper case, the lower, the upper, and the proper case tool. Okay, so we're going to stop here, and then we're going to move further in the next section. And bye for now.